Hello, today we're gonna do the So hi guys, good morning. Today we will be doing the unboxing challenge and I will be unboxing my AirPods on and iPhone 11 Pro Max. So yeah, actually I got this from the United States because my friend there is working and she has this discounts. But yeah, thanks Christine, thanks Shelby. So anyway, let's open first the AirPods. Actually, I am really happy with just my earphones, like the regular ones. As in like super, I really like Apple AirPods na yung normal with the jack. I like using that. As in like, I really like using that. Masira na siya. Naghanap pa ako sa Facebook because I don't want to buy here in the Philippines because it's really expensive. So, naghanap ako ng mura. Wait lang. Hold on. Oops. Sorry, maingay si Shiro. Hindi ko alam kung narinig niya siya. Pero yan, ingay siya ngayon. So, wait lang. So, ayun. Kasi I like using that. I mean, my phone right now is 6 Plus. Actually, it's my mom's because I broke my 7 Plus. Which is a different story. Pero yun. Tapos, I like using that because I use it for my laptop. I have a big headphones, but I usually use that when I'm just studying. And I also have another set of wireless earphones. Actually, it's my mom's, but I took it kasi I use it sa gym sometimes. Pero wala lang, let's see the hype. Pero yun nga, I got them na lang din para kasi yung wireless na yun talagang may wire pa siya, so medyo na-irritate ako sometimes. I don't like using it. So yay, finally I have my own AirPods. But ang pinili ko na lang is yung first gen kasi parang I was kind of scared na baka yung pag I talk baka magkaroon pa ng issue. I really don't know how to use it. Oh, so ganito pala yung feeling. Yeah. Nice. I have to figure out how this works pa. Oh, okay. So, hello? Or wala pa siya sigurong charge. But, we'll see. Ayun. So, I'm just gonna get the case for this. Para hindi ko siya... Also, yeah. Grabe, ang pangit ko pala gumawa ng unboxing video. Pero, yeah. So, the AirPods in the case. I think these are the instructions manual. The box. And, charger. But I think, okay. Pangalawang extra ko na to. Ang dami ko na extra pero it's all good. Kasi at least parehas sila ng charge yung ibang phone ko sa iPad. So I don't have to keep them yet. Yeah, I'm just so happy. Thank you Dad for getting me new phone. Actually, the story here kasi is I I remember before my mom, there you go. So si mommy, graduation ko ng grade 6. I was given the iTouch. I think that's the first generation of iTouch. Okay, tapos binila ng dad ko yung mom ko ng 4. Ayan, binila ng dad ko yung 4. Tapos ako naman, parang, ako yung graduate. Bakit? Wala, yay! But I'm not gonna use this. Kasi, meron, ayun na. So anyway, I was given iPhone, the mom ko ng iPhone 4. I was given an iTouch. Just parang, I don't know, parang, I don't know what was my reaction back then, but I was really happy with my iTouch because it's my first Apple product ever. And then, my dad told me na parang, I think he kind of felt bad because I was the one who graduated and yet si mommy yung merong phone. So sabi niya na, don't worry, kapag ka nagkaroon ng 7, I'll buy you na lang. Kahit, sabi parang next time, I'm just gonna buy you a phone. And kahit iPhone 7 pa yung bibilin ko. Lumabas yung iPhone 7. And that was, syempre, iPhone 7 and then 7 Plus. Pero I just wanted to try something big. Tapos naging phone ko pala 5S. And actually, it was just second-hand iPhone. Tapos, parang weird kasi I had an iPad, the second generation. Yung 3G pa ngayon. But anyway, I don't know why I never bought myself. Never asked for a phone before. I had the iPad, the iTouch. So anyway, actually I'm using iPad Pro, yung 10-inch ngayon for taking this video. Kasi hindi na gumagana yun. Kasi, okay, may story din yan, pero, wait, excited ako. So anyway, yan, the iPhone, yeah, I had the iPad. Actually, yung iPad cover pa niya si Myung-soo, bigay sa akin ni Shobe, yung the one who got this for me also in the United States. So anyway, talaga, ito na. So, lumabas si 7 Plus. So, yun na yung binala ko, the 7 Plus. Pumayag si Papa. Tapos, pero I was really excited kasi mura lang talaga sa US. Pero, actually, sobrang mura lang pagkabila to because there are discounts. So, yeah, sobrang happy ako. So, anyway, I broke the 7 Plus twice in less than a year. It was bought to me December ata. Tapos nakuha ko siya March kasi inuwi ng kuya ko. Tapos, nung, sabi ko, iyon. So, una-una, first month pa lang niya, nasira ko na siya kasi nag-swimming kami. As in, my dad already bought me the case, the waterproof case. As in, like, it was really nice waterproof case. Kasi mamahal yung waterproof case. And then, the second time, we went to the beach. Actually, hindi siya sa beach eh. Sa beach ko siya ginamit with the waterproof case. And then, we went to these waterfalls in Zambales. Hindi ko alam. Sabi ko, pero yung kapiran ko na, it's just like a regular water. Seawater naman. It's gonna be fine. So, I was really lazy. Oh my gosh. I don't even know. Okay, 2017 yun. So, pero I'm already a science major back then. So, parang, so nasira siya. Tapos, I was like, for the span that it was broken, I was really sad. As in, like, you can see the stress in my face. Na parang, I'm already joking na parang the 90% of my stress was coming, the 90% of the stress that was coming from the broken broken phone. And then, inaayos siya. Tapos around August ba or July, sa condo ko yun I was just charging it. Tapos nahulog ko siya. Yung hulog niya parang simple drop lang. Tapos parang it didn't open na. I dropped it while charging. But some people told me na parang probably because hindi maayos yung placement nung binuksan siya dati, nung binali. Or it's probably because when I installed the beta of iOS 11, tuwa pa ako, tapos screen recording pa ako, tapos yun, I ended up breaking my own phone. So anyway, yan. Tapos ito na my iPad kasi, it's really my dad's, but my mom was like, ang dami mo na gadgets, hindi yun lang sa akin. Tapos me, I cannot use my iPad 2 na kasi it's really big, tapos parang, it's 32 gig naman, pero kasi I don't have the big charger. Yeah, kahit kasi si mom ko, iPhone 4 niya, ginagamit pa rin namin ngayon. Pero it's not the original, o baka ayaw lang talaga namin yun. So anyway, tapos nagkaroon na siya ng 16 gig na, actually itong phone na to, third hand na ako. Yeah. Ito yung mom ko pala to. Ito yung binili niya after the 4, the second hand lang. But yeah, since I broke my 7 Plus, I broke my 5S also. Kaya, ito, actually, nasira ko na rin yung screen nito. Tapos yesterday, nasira ko ulit yung screen protector. And my mom went to the mall and then she asked me, what do you want na pasalubong? So I told her, can you just buy me a screen protector, a good screen protector na for the 6 Plus? But little did she know that she's gonna be getting this one back. Kaya, nagpabili ako sa kanya ng screen protector. And so going back to the iPod story, my dad bought it for himself. Actually, my dad is an Android user talaga. It's just me and my mom who uses Apple. Pero sadyang updated lang talaga sa Apple. Because my parents are really, really simple. I mean, I'm simple also, pero I don't know. Actually, it took me time to have this phone. Kasi, since nasira ko yung phone ko, I don't wanna ask for a new phone. Kasi, parang, the 7 Plus was really expensive. It's 128 gig. Tapos, so, actually kung hindi lang, kasi discounts, I don't think I'd be asking my dad to get me the 256 along with the AirPods. So anyway, and the deal was for me to pass first. I mean, I told my dad, if I pass the boards, can you please buy me a new phone? So, so yan. I mean, like, I just don't get things easily. I work hard for them. Or sometimes, pinrami sa akin, pero naaalala ko, kaya yan. Anyway, the iPod was for my dad, and then my mom, yun nga, hiningi niya. But I was reviewing for boards. Usually, I just borrowed the iPod mini, but it's only 16 gigs, so I was having a hard time. It's like, all my notes, my books, nandoon. I asked my mom if I can borrow this. Sakto, it has, keyboard, but I don't really use it because I have the laptop naman. And then, I asked for the pen because of highlighting. As in, like, I used like, like, yung stylus lang from a pen. Tapos parang nagasgas nga, so I have to replace the screen protector. So anyway, I'm using the pen. Tapos parang one time, my dad saw me, I was tutoring, I was using the pen. Because my dad didn't see me like really studying for the boards. So, nakita niya that I was using it naman talaga. So parang yung mom ko, siguro kaya hindi rin niya kinuha kasi she saw naman na parang I just don't use it for social media. I really use it for studying. So, yeah. So, anyway, as the phone, nakabaliktad siya, like the usual, kung nanonood kayo ng unboxing. And then, this one, yung charger, I think I might want to buy an extra like this, and an extra like this. But I think I'm just gonna get them sa US. Mapagbili ko naman sa mga kamag-anak. Kasi I really don't like buying here in the Philippines because it's so expensive. Ay, wala na siya yung Apple sticker. I mean, it's not like I'm using it, pero, yeah. So yeah, sabi ko nga, most likely, I'll use the AirPods, pero, baka nga dito ko lang, hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya gustong gamitin kasi natahat ako bumawala. Pero pag nasa jeep, pag nagko-commute, kasi, nagtatanggal. Saka, I don't think I would commute na nilalabas ko siya kasi sobrang halata na it's promax kaagad. Unlike, although dati brave ako, pero ngayong tumanda ako, sobrang naging matatakot na ako mag-commute kasi sobrang daming nangyayari. So like, just walking at night, para akong, akong kunan. Kasi like, lagi ako may hawak na payong. So, stay safe guys. And always be cautious of your surrounding kasi sobrang scary na talaga ngayon dito sa, it's not just here in Manila, but here in the Philippines. Actually, kahit saan kayo, mag-ingat na lang kayo lagi. So, yun. Yeah, I'm gonna be using the, they have pala. I'm just gonna be using the normal AirPods, yung may jack. Kasi it's a earpod pala. Kasi meron pa ako nung lightning connector something from my oh wait, shoot. So it's a completely different, what? Wait na, what? Okay, akala ko different na yun. So yun na lang gagamitin ko muna kasi I don't really like using the lightning kasi nasa stress ako kasi parang, what if I want actually sa iPad din naman pwede rin na siya, pero let's just see. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching, and obviously this was recorded, I opened na December 20. Who knows when I will be uploading this, but thanks for watching guys.